Welcome to
Drain Plug Garage.
Let her rip.
Hey guys, it is now summer. We're working on the truck. We got to put a water pump in today. And yeah, so.
Hey guys, what's up?
What are we working on today?
So, we're putting a water pump on our 46 Chevy truck. We already put a 5.3 LS motor in it.
So this is the LS.
We can put this on.
And we'll put that on. That's a lot of gold.
Yesterday.
Water pump.
That is a lot of
Right
gold.
up front.
Okay.
Cool. We'll put that on.
Yep.
Here. Try this. Sid. Put them on there first. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hitting us. Where you going, kid? What happened? You bust your finger already?
No, wait. Just like
Oh, you pinched it? Ouch. Nice out. That way you don't get smacked right in the snoot.
Ooh, coin.
Coin?
It's a washer.
It's a washer. How's your side doing? Getting there. Righty tighty, dude. You're loosening it. You're loosening it. There you go. Oh yeah. How's your fingers?
not any better.
Not any better?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, this one's getting tight too.
Getting tight.
That was an easy one today, guys. See you next time.
See you next time, citizen.
I'm trying to videotape and try not to rock out at the same time.
Yeah.